In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com to create a financial board. Whether you're managing your expenses, tracking budgets, or planning a financial project, Monday.com provides a flexible and user-friendly platform to organize and visualize your financial data efficiently. Let's walk through the steps to set up a financial board on Monday.com. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Monday.com. If you haven't visited the site before, it's Monday.com. One of the first things you'll see is an option to log in, conveniently located in the upper right corner of the home page. Click on this to begin the process of accessing your account. It's straightforward to sign in. You can click on the option to sign in with Google or simply type in the email address associated with your Monday.com account. If you choose to sign in with Google, you'll be prompted to select the email address that you want to use. This integration is particularly handy if you're already logged into your Google account, as it allows you to proceed without entering additional passwords. Once you're logged in, you'll arrive at your workspace. Here, pay attention to the left side of your screen where you'll see a blue plus sign button. This button is essential as it assists you in adding new elements to your workspace. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. Next, you'll want to search for the option labelled Board. Hover your mouse over the small arrow next to Board to reveal further options. Click on Start with Template to browse through various template options that Monday.com provides. Now in the search box, type the word Financial. This will filter the available templates and present you with several options related to finance. Browse through the list until you find one labelled Financial Accounting. Click on this to see more details about this particular template. When you're ready to use this template, you'll see a button labelled Use Template. Clicking this will add the selected financial template to your workspace. Just like that, your startup financial template is ready. It's a structured framework that you'll now be able to customize. All that's left to do is to edit the details according to your needs. You can modify the columns and rows to tailor the board to your specific financial tracking requirements. Input your data, adjust categories, and feel free to personalize it so that it works best for you. And there you have it, a fully set up financial board on Monday.com, ready to help you manage your economic plans efficiently. By following these easy steps, you can better track your financial data, understand your financial health, and make informed decisions. Enjoy having your financial information organized and easily accessible.